Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka KSU Vairangte Circle, Kolasip District, Mizoram. Kalapalong ya ka Cultural Meet kam Academic Award. Ha ka arpu sautrik ujemang 8,000 apusan. Ha Vairangte Community Hall, Kolasip District, Mizoram. Hajan kasnong Khasi Veng. Kabadai kasnong balasyong lasa daki Khasi na du henday hentai. Haswa banka ya ka jilla Mizoram lani Meghalaya, batwat ya ka Assam. Kajing tumu jong ka KSU Vairangte Circle banpalong kum kane ka Limpong. Kalong banlum banlang ya baro ki Khasi ki balasyong lasa na du menshwa ha ka jilla Mizoram bat ban ai min siem mi ki khna pule Khasi bakini shimkhia ya ka pule puthi. Kabalong ka atyar ban kentiyo bat yada ya ka jat banriu Khasi hajla Mizoram. Ha kane ka Limpong lawan banishim benta da baro ki Khasi balasyong lasa ha Mizoram ki bakentop ya ki Khasi basa ha kasnong Khasi Veng ha Paisen bat ha Saipum. Baro kini kisnong kidei ki badang hap ha kitan nongkendong bat kilalong ki basa din ha kaliang kayo kakot. Ki Khasi balong traish nong ha Mizoram ki don kumba shispa khatsan ki long yeng ha kaba kumba prapho long yeng ki don ha Khasi Veng Veng kamut kasnong ha kaktien Mizo ki don kumba sanspa tamngot ki Khasi ki bajan baro ki imja da kabarep tempo bat ukwai ka KSU kalapan kha ya ka KSU Vairangte unit ha kasnem 8,000 khandai hadien ka jingsha thombor ki nongrap Khasi ha kawai pat ka jat benreu he pat bat lingba ka KSU Vairangte unit bat ka Khasi welfare committee Vairangte lala man penpet ya ka jingekan at lingba ka jingekren bat jingesalok bat ki he pat Mizo. Ha kane Kalimpong balapalong da ka KSU Vairangte Circle lakhat sobha ya ubi lalchan zova Menteri badai pet ya ketenat Land Revenue and Settlement but Food, Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs kum ukongsan. Lakhat ru ya usamla Donald V. Thaba u General Secretary ka KSU but ya UH Van Lal Byak Zwava USDO Vairangte Civil Subdivision kum ki simbot kongsan. Lapin ko buram ya ki khandaingot ki samla pule Khasi Kiba hapadeng ka jingshem jing kilala ban pendep ya ki jing pule ki jongki. Kini ki samla pule ki kentop ya kini harum. Ka Jessica ka khon jong upilmon kabayo ya ka first division ha ka science Mizoram Board of School Education High School Secondary Leaving Certificate. Sakti simply khon u MU dhar ibayo second division ha ka science HSSLC MBSE. U Agustin Pala ukhon upitos manar ubayo ya ka first division ha ka arts Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Mizoram Board of School Education. U Agustin ulayo distinction ru haki subject Mizo but education. U Wanbor Pala ukhon utarchen ubayo second division haka arts HSSLC MBSE. U Generous Pajat khon ka Paulina Pajat ubayo third division HSSLC Meghalaya Board of School Education. Ka Elsa Si ka khon u Elias Pajat kabayo ka first division ha ka CBSE High School ka Elsa kayo distinction ru ha ka subject Hindi ka Catherine Muksar ka khon u Kemen kabayo third division ha ka High School Leaving Certificate MBSE ka Christina ka khon uba 1 mon bamkwai hadwar ublay kabayo third division ha ka HSSLC MBSE. U Balancius Yaine Pajat khon kakong Senobia Sukmon Pajat bamkwai hadwar ublay kabayo third division ha ka HSLC MBSE. Nalor kate Kalimpong ka KSU kalayo banislok kerpangru ya Menteri ka Sarkar Mizoram ubi lalcha zova halor ka jingsa teng banai ya ki land settlement certificates ya ki long yeng Khasi ki balasa na du hendai ha kate kathan kumban chupentip ki Khasi watla kilasa na du hendai ha Vairangte kum kasnong Khasi Veng Paisen bat Saipum Henrei kimpat yo ya kakot pata lane kakot Jaka na ka Sarkar Mizoram ka KSU kala Khyllie biang ya kane kamat hakmat uti umentri bat uni umentri ulakular basyan katanat badai pet Kajong u, kan sa syong bat bishar halor kite ki jing ang nuot ki Khasi basa ha Mizoram. Kani ka longkat kum ka kerwa balapha da usamla Andrew Dekar u presiden bat upol pajat u sekretari ka KSU Vairengte Circle Kolasip District Mizoram.
Jadi kosnya baru ini langsung dibicara dengan cepat. Because saya Islamlah welcome berbaik dan kesulitan bersama.
Jessica daughter of Hima. Christina daughter of Khyllie Manmun.
Because saya Islamlah welcome berbaik.
Yang Presiden juga isu Vairengte unit samla Andrew Dekar sedis ko Aizol akaba nilai kenduk ya kita kekam juga mizo supply power banyak keren jike awide buat patah lagi ikut Jaka juga baru personal mensuang yoso modern gejik pendik ketar mengalami ne ada banyak keren ada pan poi sikami juga jenis itu hot tembun gigi barang sateng akaba ide buat Imlang kasalang kejungi perdok persenam ni hapai day bat ha kamiar kejungi paro. But the key issue Central Executive Council ng Pynïoh kapo Meghalaya kanong iigi lululur kanong klat. Hakano no bor wabi pidon kam mangingilong ke bakloy balwan bala ketika dia ketika mon nakapanta kejungi. Namar wakla Jaka strong Jaka sa kejungi kalong ke bajengai Andre Iju Islam betul hari tiap ijungi. Idan iju kita gilong swa di manswa. Idan iju betul. Matang dan manu bala karya yang ajak beri ijungi. Hakabai day bakatai, lagadai hakan yam dan ni hakan kerdam patung datar. Ajak beri basi kuriam mula boy luar boy buat basi bayar. Ide ajak beri kerbang Patung kecil kendriu apa syukur lagi dan syak menurut pentaru menjadi berkait dengan tume. Baru-baru yang kata identity apa hak kita Khasi yang kata snap. Snap kejungi kalau terbang hak bernikong ke kedai hak culture kejungi kabar kedai language. Maka tian hi yang jadi berkait lalu. Awak ada pengi berguna untuk kita di jingkuli hak kita Khasi mereka orang yang dari tertentu yang mengelang trong isu Vairengte unit angkat kecerdasan di isu barat Malaysia itu penjuru negara yang kejungi ingin hak menguat ilang yang di guna berpermut berkentiu yang tak kacung ketir kejungi amar adu mentahi kejap menteri kejungi kadang yang nanti kejungi pun banyak perunok yang ketir Khasi untuk HDU mengenang yang Kiba ketir Khasi kerana HDU kamu panggil yang berhak menjadi ketir Khasi penyelek sebenarnya peru tin Khasi nomor pakaladin ni tin lalu official language ni bagi cidu exam bagi ni ismi islam ibnai perwan nila ulung ya kata cinta wa kacungi kabanai pat ya cimun toy ontang ya pateng ke pemerintah re ya pateng ke ba adien lu. So I would also like to express my gratitude to our Honorable Minister of State, Kubi Lachan Soba, for being with us on this auspicious occasion, and also to the co-guest of honor, H. Lalviap Swava. I was speaking in Khasi to them, and I was mentioning to them that the cordial relationship that exists between the Khasis and the Mizos have been age-old. We have a very good relationship since time immemorial, even during the British era, right from the advent of Christianity to the formation of the state of Mizoram and the formation of the state of Meghalaya. We have been working hand in hand through times, through thick and thin. And I would also like to specifically mention our brethren from the Mizos in Laipao, although they are not here on this occasion, but I hope next time that they will be invited on such occasions of the Khasi. We have been working in Neso with regards to the aspirations, the aims and the objectives of the indigenous tribal people of Northeast region. Our relationship through Neso, it embedded upon us not only as colleagues, but we became brothers. We became close to one another.
My sincere gratitude to Paul Bajat, who called me maybe a week ago to come and participate in this program. I would like to also express my sincere heart of gratitude to Lal Chanova, Minister of State in the government of Mizoram, for sharing your very valuable time with our youth today. I would also like to express our gratitude to Pu Vanlal Biak Zawa, the SDO of Bairangke, for being with us here. Of course, Sister Lydia and other sisters from FMA community for being with us today. I would like to also express my gratitude to the KSU central body with whom I have come along from Silchar, Ba Donald, Ba Raymond, Ba Eric and Ba Pensingan, and of course the others from Barabali. I could play Kapang, Jaka KSU unit, Varangke, Kabala Pulongkat kini ke program kebahe. Ngaru ngalaju wan segi snong, ai laju lektur bari ba pol segi snong ke bakhamr, mo sate sa saipung betul-betul. Ni bagi Khasi hong ni apo barat angin apo Mizoram. Ki long ki bayatli, ki long lu ki ba, pai wala ki don duna ki don thunja, andre ki ya chaprang bagi kam ki jam ki jongpi. Apeng bon kijing kerana nganget scan bakin don bon kijing mereka kijing juga baru ni don lagi kijing klem kijing aku kijing juga gamdan jimu dia tak kenal ngasukman bandon mereka tapi I am very happy to be here with you on this special day when you are going to felicitate some of those who have done well in their academic performances. And if I may take a clue from this particular academic award, the KSU has named it as Machafrang award, I think, Machafrang. So, what is the meaning of Machafrang? Machafrang is basically mean march forward. March forward. So therefore, I appeal to all those who have received and are going to receive this award this year. This is not the end. This is actually the beginning of that journey when you have to prove yourself that you are even more capable to do many wonderful things in your life. I used to have a teacher when I was studying in Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. He used to say one beautiful sentence. He said, "Nothing wonderful a man cannot do." Omdang kaegay kaba kababhag kaba itanan kaba mentoy kaba ubriu umla ande. Tinata kadao kerpat ya pi samna. Omtang yegitu ki bayo ya kawat, yegitu ki bam patyo ya kawat manta kasirku. Kerma kene but nothing wonderful a man or a woman cannot do. We are destined for great things. We are destined for wonderful things. We are destined to prove that we are God's creation.
Yes, you they invited me, and I asked them, why you are inviting me since I am not involved in education as far as my ministry is concerned. But they say that we like you. We like you coming with us, spending your valuable time and sharing off your views, thoughts. Then I'm coming here, I'm with you. I'm very much feel privileged and enthusiastic. And also I appreciated the Professor Moses Karbitha, motivational speaker. You did a good speech, you performed, and you shared many valuable messages to our fellow students. And also the civil SDO, who is Lydia Jawa, he said his career, how he can become Mizoram Civil Service Officer. When I am stepping in this hall, there are some points coming to my mind, and I am taking this book for today. For today's program, I am preparing based on this book, Long Walk to Freedom, about Nelson Mandela. I wish the successful students who score the pass marks and above marks to get past class 10 and class 12. This is the beginning. One thing coming to my mind before I'm coming in this diocese.
Chief guest Minister of State, and co-guest of honor, Donald Taba, General Secretary KSU. I express my deepest gratitude on this auspicious occasion. My best wishes as well. So I think you're coming from outside Mizoram, if I'm not mistaken. Co-guest of honor and his colleague. On behalf of wiring the community and being this SDO Civil, the custodian of this subdivision, I welcome you on behalf of the community and being the custodian of this subdivision. And I hope you spend this time, this moment, this program in the most memorable way. Le Khadram Shoy Tute, VC, NGO, Le Vogi Local Form Zong Cultural Meet, Come Academic Award Program, Ayan, Chibai, Kabuk Sewa, a program, Guest of Honor, Tora, LTV, Vamian, Lotu Kasipukani. A program, what side, and the Dona, Kanin, Biak, Na Khanim, and Khasi Students Union Shoy to the Khanim, and Mizoram to say to Aniti, Dova Khanim, Mizoram to Soyanga, Hilaya, Kalpom, the Bom, Mizoram, Tiafik, and Dia, Tilai Varing, and Divangin, Leolaya, Ramfu to Tek, like Mizotek, and the Moya Vangin, Mizoram Soy to Kalim Basi, so I'm sorry, Mizoram Soy. When program, we can like Khan, to let go of Khanna, Kani Varing, they are so in
mi cultural meet kan nei thei hi alo om he me ya chumi program a guest of honor ka la tel thi ko hi katan zo la chin sia tla ka alo om ka ti ya mi mal takin organizing committee ka chuma ko an lom thu ka suya ana chang in share ti he mai ti chuan voina kan program kan share dan hin zira lai ti chha te tun dai class 10 le 12 pass te lom puina le chon moina ani ba ka cultural program